Wasn't gonna film this, but heck, I might as well. So I'm gonna have to do spark plugs on this 2.5 liter. And they say we gotta jack up the engine. So first things first, got the car jacked up. I got the oil pan supported, which I will show you here later, just in case you're curious on how to do that. And I'm gonna start with this mount right there. There's a 14mm nut on top. Just gonna loosen it. I'm not gonna completely take it off, I don't think. So we'll just leave that on. And there's one straight down here. So here's the oil, master cylinder, brake fluid reservoir. And then just go straight down. Now, I think that's all I gotta do. Let's see here, crank it up. Only one side's coming up. So, let's go take a look at this other side again. Yeah, it's just not coming off this side. Okay, it came up a little bit, so let's just free up some room. Let's get rid of this air box. I'm just going to remove the whole assembly. Forgot about that. Now I can remove the whole assembly. After that hose. Okay, I think that's all we need to get down there. Ah, 10mm. Now to get the one that's hidden down there, I'm going to remove this full air box, which is a 10mm right there. And then there's one nut right here holding that on. Can't actually remove this because it's connected to 15 other freaking things like most things on this car, so we're just going to go ahead and continue on with removing that 10mm bolt. That should give me more than enough room now. There we have another broken tip off. It's a good thing he came in now, because if he wasn't having misfires, very shortly it would be. This driver's side's a lot tighter than the other side, but I'm going to try to do this without removing the battery, although not having this battery right here would be incredibly convenient. Don't want to go too far because I don't want. Okay, it came out good. I don't care that it hits the ground, just don't want it to. Want your tool to get stuck in between the bolt and the bracket that holds up the battery. All right, coil packs look good. Ooh, smell good. Don't smell like they're burnt. Okay, same 3-inch extension. Guide it down in there. Okay. Yeah, there's nowhere to really film either, so I don't even know what you guys are even seeing. Alright, so even if I jack up the engine, it doesn't quite get this up far enough. So maybe if you take off the bolt fully and raise the engine up completely, but I don't really want to do that because then I have to realign it and hopefully it all fits back perfectly. So I just used a shallow 10mm to get the 10mm bolt off for the coil pack, and then having one of these swivel wrenches makes it really nice because you can maneuver it in between the battery and the engine. But yeah, so far not bad, just time consuming. And that's what that final one looks like. Yeah, that was a pain. Yeah, I mean, if you want to try it, go ahead and take off that nut and raise it up even higher. But there's just, you have to do it all by hand. That's the crappy part. Yeah, you just have to do it all by hand. There's no tools can fit down there. All right, let's get this put back on. And there, now we'll just tighten those up. And that is done as far as that. I'm just gonna put back the air filter and air box, and then that's how you do the spark plugs. It's a pain. I mean, it really is. It's not the hardest, but it's definitely not the easiest. So hope this video helped. Like, subscribe, and if you're looking for any type of the highest quality LED bulbs for any vehicle, head down in the description. Use my referral code, get yourself a discount, and see you guys next time.